Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2016 Buick Encore Premium all-wheel drive, stock number Z7819XX. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Rosewood Metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Encore is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, read gauges with driver information system. This Encore has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, heating and air conditioning, heated steering wheel, as well as heated front seats. Great for those cold winter days. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Encore, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.